Are you tired of lag, stutters, and low FPS ruining your gaming experience? In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your CPU for gaming in 2025. These easy tweaks will unlock maximum performance, boost your FPS, and fix those annoying stutters. No expensive upgrades needed. Let's dive right in and transform your gaming experience. In the first step, we'll optimize your Windows graphics settings to improve game performance. Start by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting Graphics Settings. Then, click on Browse to locate your game executable file on your system. Once you find it, click Add, and your game will appear in the list. Select it and set it to high performance to ensure your system prioritizes the use of your GPU, CPU, and RAM for the best performance. Finally, click Save to apply these changes and close the settings window. This adjustment will help allocate system resources, effectively enhancing the game's performance. In the next step, we are going to disable unnecessary startup apps to optimize your CPU's performance. To do this, open Task Manager and navigate to the Startup tab. From here, identify programs that automatically run when you start your PC and disable the ones you don't need. This will prevent these apps from consuming CPU resources and running in the background unnecessarily. By reducing the number of startup programs, your PC will boot faster and operate more efficiently, leading to improved overall performance. In the next step, we're going to ensure your CPU runs at its maximum potential by enabling all its cores. Press the Windows key and search for System Configuration, then open the program. Go to the Boot tab and click on Advanced Options. Here, check the box for the number of processors and select the highest number available from the drop-down. This tweak ensures that all CPU cores are activated, leading to better multitasking, faster application performance, and overall system efficiency. Afterward, click OK, then apply and exit the menu. Restart your PC for the changes to take full effect and experience improved responsiveness. In the next step, we are going to disable core isolation to optimize your system's performance. Press the Windows key and search for core isolation, then open the settings. Ensure this feature is turned off. On most Windows 11 systems, core isolation is enabled by default to enhance security, but it can slow down performance by using extra system resources. Disabling it will free up CPU cycles, allowing your system to process tasks more efficiently, particularly during gaming or heavy workloads. However, keep in mind that this reduces your system's security, so you may want to re-enable it after your gaming sessions. Restart your PC after making this change to ensure the adjustments take effect. In the next step, you need to run the Unpark CPU tool. I give a link in the description of this tool. You can download it from their official website. Once you open the tool, you'll see two sections: Enabled Cores and Parked Cores. Parking cores is a power-saving feature, but it can limit your CPU's performance, especially during gaming or heavy multitasking. To maximize CPU usage, ensure the slider is set to 100% or simply hit Unpark All to unpark all cores. This will ensure that your CPU is utilizing all available cores for maximum efficiency. After making the adjustments, click Apply to save the changes and then close the tool. Restart your PC to ensure the changes take full effect. The next tweak is using the MSI utility to optimize your system's interrupt handling for better performance. I give a link in the description of this tool. You can download it from their official website. Right-click on the MSI utility file and run it as administrator. Once the program opens, locate your GPU in the list and enable MSI mode by checking the corresponding box. Then set the interrupt priority to high, which ensures your GPU processes tasks more efficiently. This adjustment reduces latency and improves communication between hardware and the CPU. Once you've completed these steps, click Apply to save your changes and close the program. Restart your PC to fully activate these optimizations. In the next step, we're going to disable unnecessary apps and background processes that can slow down your system. First, copy the Titus Tech utility code from its official website. I give a link in the description of this tool. You can get it from their official website. Then open PowerShell by typing it in the Windows search bar, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as administrator. Once PowerShell is open, paste the copied code into the window and press Enter. Wait for the Titus Tech utility to load. When the utility opens, click on Tweaks at the top. Windows often runs unnecessary background apps and processes that consume system resources. The utility helps you remove these unwanted apps. You can choose either the standard or minimal preset. The standard preset removes more unnecessary apps while keeping essential ones. It's safe to use and automatically creates a restore point just in case something goes wrong. In the next step, we are going to run the O&O ShutUp utility by scrolling down on this tool. This tool disables features like the advertising ID and stops Microsoft from collecting extra data from your PC. Click Actions at the top and select Apply Only Recommended Settings. This ensures that only safe changes are made. It will ask if you want to create a restore point, and you should confirm. By doing this, we reduce background processes and lower RAM usage when the PC is idle, helping to boost your system's overall performance. Now, in the last step, we are going to optimize your power plan for better gaming performance. Open your Windows search bar and type power until you see the option Change Power Plan. If your power plan is set to balanced, it's not ideal for gaming, since it limits your CPU's full potential. Don't worry, I'll guide you through fixing this. For better performance, switch to either the High Performance or Ultimate Performance power plan. To enable Ultimate Performance, go and copy the Ultimate Performance command. I give this code in the description. You can download it from this video description. Now search for CMD in the search bar and run as admin. Now paste the Ultimate Performance command. Once the command has been run, you'll get a confirmation that Ultimate Performance mode is enabled. Now go back to your power plan settings, search for power in the Windows search bar, and select Ultimate Performance from the available options. This adjustment is crucial for making sure your CPU works at its best, which helps prevent FPS loss in game. Make sure you enable this setting to boost your performance. I hope this guide was easy to follow and helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips and content. See you next time.